Hey everyone, Mike here from Paessler. A question for you. When something goes wrong on your network, how long does it take you to figure out what broke, what else it's taking down with it, and what changed leading up to the incident? If the honest answer is too long, keep watching. This is Paessler PRTG UVexplorer. It works right alongside PRTG, giving you something that takes your monitoring to the next level. A complete picture of your network, kept up to date through scheduled discoveries. Running right inside the PRTG interface you already know, it shows you how every device connects and what depends on what. It also sends alerts when topology changes are discovered, and it keeps a backup of your network and config files, helping you move from alert to resolution faster. PRTG UVexplorer features 4 key components that work together, giving you full visibility, fewer surprises, faster answers, and less downtime. Let's take a look. First up, automated network topology. Here's the thing, most teams either have no network map at all, or they have one that was accurate about 18 months ago. Someone spent an entire afternoon on it, it's beautifully color-coded and everything. It's wrong. But PRTG UVexplorer discovers your network automatically, building an accurate, always current topology map. Layer 2, Layer 3, multi-vendor, no manual drawing, no stale diagrams. The best way to start finding your devices is to use the Network Discovery Wizard, which pops up when you first launch UVexplorer. Here you can select the type of discovery you want to perform, the IP ranges you want to use, and any credentials and protocol settings you want to use in the discovery process. UVexplorer will then start searching for devices on your network and categorizing them into types. Once that's finished, click Open to pull the data into PRTG with the PRTG Export Wizard. Just give UVexplorer the connection details of your PRTG core server, test the connection, then choose if you want to create new groups and devices and if you want to create a topology map, which of course you do. Then choose which devices you want to include and what sensors you want PRTG to create for those devices. Finally, select if you'd like UVexplorer to link to PRTG and have the device status shown in UVexplorer. Once the export is finished, just click Go to Group and your devices are now automatically created in PRTG with the sensors already set up. And ta-da! An updated topology map of your network. Magic. The discoveries run on a schedule. So what you're looking at is the latest picture UVexplorer took of your network. The discovery schedule can even be customized for a more always up-to-date discovery result or more spaced out for less dynamic networks. And because it's built from real discovery data, not someone's best guess, you can actually trust it, which honestly is a bit of a novelty. Second, dependency visualization, and here's where it gets really interesting. When an alert fires in PRTG, the first question is always, is this the cause or is this a symptom? And figuring that out usually means SSHing into switches, digging through configs, calling colleagues, all while the clock is ticking. But with UVexplorer, you can quickly narrow down the area to investigate by letting you instantly see everything upstream, the potential cause, and everything downstream, every device and service that's affected. Your blast radius right there on screen in seconds, so you can prioritize the right fix at the right time. No more hoping the right person is still at the company, no guesswork, just context, exactly when you need it most. That alone tends to be the moment people go, okay, I need this. Third, configuration backup and comparison. So let's talk about config drift, because this one catches teams out all the time. Someone makes a change to a device config. Maybe it's intentional, maybe it isn't. Either way, if you're not tracking it, you won't know until something breaks. And then the fun begins. What did it look like before? Who changed it? Can we roll it back? Great questions. Terrible time to be asking them, but Paessler PRTG UVexplorer backs up your device configurations automatically and lets you compare any 2 versions side by side with the built-in diff viewer. Differences are highlighted immediately. On the topology map, just double-click the device, go to Configs, and you can view and even compare config captures from specific points in time. Or from the device, just select UVX details and choose configs from there. So you don't need to remote into each device, you don't need to remember what it looked like before, and those point-in-time snapshots give you a clear, accurate record of your network over time, exactly what you need when audit season comes around or when change management asks what happened. It's basically a time machine for your network, minus the flux capacitor and the risk of accidentally becoming your own father. And that brings us to the fourth piece of this glorious quartet: network change tracking and alerting. Because sometimes the question isn't what's broken right now, it's what changed right before it did. Just select the Discovery Diff tool in UVexplorer and choose the configs that you want to compare. After each scheduled discovery run, UVexplorer compares what it finds against the last snapshot. New shadow IT device appeared, link dropped, something shifted in the topology, you get alerted. So this, together with the live monitoring from PRTG, lets you know about issues before they become an incident. And when something does break, you've got a clear change history to narrow down where to look. Not just a timestamp and a guess, an actual trail, which when you're staring at your laptop at 2 AM, wondering why the VPN is down for 300 people, it's absolutely priceless. So, automated topology, dependency visualization, config backup and comparison, and change tracking with alerting. 4 capabilities, 1 product, and it all surfaces directly inside the PRTG interface you already know and use. No extra vendor to manage, and 1 less headache for stretched IT teams. PRTG was already doing a great job telling you what's down. Paessler PRTG UVexplorer tells you why, and what else is affected, and what changed to cause it. Together they give you the full picture, from alert to answer, faster than ever. Get in touch with us to book a demo. We'd love to show you what it looks like in your environment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.